Hello guys, welcome to another video, and I just wanted to make this quick video here showing my service works on Vanguard as well, and yeah, basically it unlocks everything, weapon skins, blueprints. It's really cool, and it works for Vanguard, Modern Warfare, Warzone. Yeah, so here we have some Vanguard stuff. Just wanted to show you guys. So as you can see, I have everything here. All the camos. I like this one. Yeah, I have the gun as well. Like damascus. So yeah, it looks really good. And yeah, so it works for Vanguard, Warzone, Modern Warfare. And I can like type something here, LIG, so you can see it's me, my YouTube name, 2022. So yeah, it's working. Just join description, get some dope stuff. Yeah, see ya.